He's gotta be strong, and he's gotta be fast, and he's gotta be fresh from his body. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero, somebody alive. He's gotta be sure, he's gotta be soon, and he's gotta be larger than life, larger than life. Somewhere just beyond my reach, there's someone wishing back for me. Racing on the thunder and rising with the heat. It's gonna take a superman to sweep me off my feet. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the end of the night. He's gotta be strong, and he's gotta be fast, and he's gotta be fresh from his body. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the morning light. He's gotta be sure, he's gotta be soon, and he's gotta be larger than life. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the end of the night. But we hang together. Oh, well, let it see. I was somewhere watching me through the wind and the chill, the rain and the storm and the flood. I could feel it was like the fire in my blood.
Quickly, Jonathan! Quick! Not on me!
I need a hero! Holding out for a hero till the end of the night. He's gotta be strong, and he's gotta be fast, and he's gotta be fresh from his body. I need a hero! Holding out for a hero till the morning light. He's gotta be sure, he's gotta be soon, and he's gotta be larger than life. I need a hero! I'm holding out for a hero till the end of the night. He's gotta be strong, he's gotta be fast, and he's gotta be fresh in his body. I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the morning light. He's gotta be sure, he's gotta be soon, and he's gotta be larger than life.
Ladies and gentlemen, for Georgina. Well done, Georgina.